Gonna have a real good time. Best thing about being a woman is my prerogative to have a little fun. We're gonna do it, we've got to get the fun bit right? So on the left, when I go fun, you go fun, and then the right go fun. Yeah, correct, right? Do you know what I mean? So just practice right quickly. So when fun, so I say fun, then you say fun, and you know the song, right? It's my prerogative to have a little fun. It's quite good though, isn't it?
Oh shit. Are you gonna dance it?
Going out tonight, feeling alright. Gonna have a real good time. Gonna make some noise, really raise the roof. Gonna have a real good time. The best thing about being a woman is my prerogative to have a little fun. Yeah! Oh, oh, oh.